what's up? Today I'm doing another video and it's about how to make paper squishies. And I guess I made like 4 of them or 3 of them, I don't know. But I'm gonna be teaching you how to make super nice slow rising squishies from paper. So yeah, before I will get started with the video, make sure to subscribe and on the bell notifications, whatever. And also I'll show you my squishies from worst to best. This is my worst squishy. It's this unicorn that is thinking about hearts, and this is the back, like a horn, cause like you see the horn on the unicorn from the back and from the front, so it's just like, yeah. So this is not slow rising at all. So why do people think this is a squishy? Like, why would this be a squishy? It's not even a squishy. Then I guess this is a little bit better, but it's still not slow rising. I don't know what you call it. You see, this is a toast with strawberry jam on it, and it looks odd, but throw this out. Oh my god, what the heck? Okay, then this is the most adorable squishy I have. It's this panda or a cat, whatever you see, and it's squishy and it is slow rising, as you can see. It's not really slow rising, but it is still slow rising. It's nice. So yeah, I love the squishy. Although it's not really a squishy, it's still a squishy. Then this is a toast with strawberry jam on it, although it kinda looks like a t-shirt with blood on it, but whatever. It's squishy and nice, so I love it. It's not beautiful, but that's not the point. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. The box full of stuff for squishies. I mostly have squishies here, but now no need. I have some supplies for squishies, like this, a garbage bag, and this pillow. Yeah, it's a pillow that's kind of slow rising, and that's from what I make my squishies with. So yeah, I have my supplies and also have this sketchbook. My sketchbook looks like this. Here there's written some squishy stuff, and here is a panda, the worst unicorn ever, a cute panda, and this was an idea for my squishy and I made this. Also I have this ice cream, I guess, and the circles are meaning like what I would do. So I would do this or this, and then I would do all of this. It's the unicorn family, the mother, father, sister, and a baby sister. So this looks kinda evil. This doesn't even look that much evil. This looks evil. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you how to make them. You will take your paper and fold it in half. You will draw your shape and draw what you want. I'm drawing the unicorn mother. So yeah, then you also have to color it in, and I'll be back when I'll do that. Here is what I made, and now you can cut it out with your scissors. You're gonna cut it out with your scissors, as you heard before, just like this. So yeah, here's my cutout. Then you'll have it like this. You gotta put it like this. You gotta also draw your horn from the back. You gotta make it like this. These are 2 different pieces, you know, like from when you cut it out. And then you gotta take your tape. Then you gotta stick it together with tape. And I'm sorry if you're not seeing this good. I'm actually holding this with my feet, so it's kind of tough. But yeah. Uh-oh. This is bad. Uh-oh. So yeah, it's like here is the tape, and then you gotta tape this. Then I'll show you what to do. Okay guys, I don't have a tripod or anything to camera this, so it's kind of lame cause I have to video with one hand. So yeah. Then you gotta cut the tape that is not needed because you have it all over here. But I can't camera while I'm cutting, so I'm sorry about that, but that's what you gotta do. I'm done and it looks like this. Then what you gotta do is take a big chunk out of that pillow. So yeah, here's that chunk. It's slow rising, kinda, but yeah. What you gotta do is cut it into many small pieces that look like this. If your squishy is very small, then it's better to get it into smaller pieces. With this squishy, I don't know, maybe I'll cut it into smaller pieces, but now you gotta fold it like this. Fold it. It's like this, and then you gotta tape the sides like this. You gotta tape it until it looks like this. I didn't use a lot of my pieces. It's kind of full, and let's show you how does it squish. So I am done making this squishy. It turned out to be very tiny. Well, I didn't see before. Well, yeah, I would totally recommend making a bigger squishy because even if it is slow rising, you don't really see it because, like, yeah. But right now what I'm just making is making the paper. I don't know how to tell it in English. It's better to do it when you have a new squishy. Paper squishy. Just do that. Yeah. So this is how does my paper squishy squish. It's kind of slow rising, I guess. Yeah, you see that's totally slow rising. It is slow rising, but it's small. So what I do recommend is making the squishy bigger. So these are my squishies. I hope so you enjoyed the video, and if you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye. By the way, comment down below some video ideas because I'm running out of my ideas. So bye.